Entering association zone may cause the aircraft to exit intelligent flight mode and hover. Oh no! What's happening, guys? Vicjo here. Hope all is well. For DJI Mini 2, I really need to register to get operator ID and flyer ID. Even though it comes with 249 grams because it has a camera attached. 9 pounds for operator ID, good for 1 year, and the flyer ID is free, lasts for 5 years. I passed the online multiple choice test of 40 questions with a score of 37, and the passing is 30. This test is free to take until you will pass the average scores. You don't need to worry about losing of money. Pull out the mobile placeholder, then pull out the remote controller cable. And if you are using Android phones, you can change to other cable that comes with the product. Connect the cable to mobile device, then download the app DJI FLY. DJI Mini 2 activation comes with your details. Same process with iPhone 12 Pro for backup purposes. I forgot to bring my landing pad. On. On Bluetooth. How to calibrate? Okay. Forgot to put this. Turn. Then facing forward. Calibration successful. There you go. Take off. Auto takeoff. The aircraft will automatically take off of an altitude 1.2 meters. Avoid taking off in confined space or crowds. Take off. Okay. There you go. Avoid carriage road. Entering authorization zone may cause the aircraft to exit. What? Oh no! So here's what I did. I pressed the unlock, then moved away from that place. Start tutorial. Next. Check the flight altitude distance from the home point and flight speed. Next. Shooting mode. Switch between video. Alright. Quick shots and panorama. Next. Camera view. Safety check. Tap the text above to view aircraft auto check result. Account and login. Flight altitude and distance restricted to 30 meters, 50 meters. Check and login. Control sticks. Tap. Take off. Okay. Continue. Tap here. Land man. Why? Oh no! So mani nga di mo kunin mo pala paron, Brad. Go fly. And then the first flight took off. There you go. Settings. Where's the settings? Camera. Auto. Wait. Mami, dito tayo mami. Picture tayo ba? Wala, saan na Palangga? Ala, ano yan Palangga? Oo, babe, sanay si daddy nito Palangga. Wala. Sige. Nice one. Try it landing here. Grabe ka, wow kay mabist boy kay mami. Mami, okay, lapit sa tree. Let's try it, Pro Auto. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.